Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Crypto Mob. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I release a new video like this. Today I'm going to teach you how to make over 200 USD your trust wallet via Telegram. Yeah, so I'm going to open my Telegram now. I'm going to show you the airdrop. Very simple. Yeah, so this airdrop is Terk. Yeah, because that's the group, Terk official. And I'll show you the news. This is their channel. I'm going to go there, show you what the airdrop, how the airdrop is going on. Yeah, I'm going to wait for this load to load. But before you load, please guys, don't send any money to any airdrop. Although I'm going to show it, but do not send any money to any airdrop. They're giving out 10,000 Terk. This is 3 USD. And by the time I'm making this video, it's already worth 106. Yes, USD. So that was said 200. Make sure you run this up fast because it's a first come first serve. They are doing it almost, I think, every time or every week. But I'm going to leave the link in the description for this bot, and you click on it, go there, join our Telegram discussion, our channel, their group, their Twitter account, and retweet and tag those 3 friends. That's all. Distribution in 48 hours. As you can see, distribution is just in 42 days. You receive it in your wallet. Yeah, and I received it free. And they are even telling you about the fake bots. Let me show it to you guys. Take it in Airdrop and ICO. Take Airdrop and ICO is fake. They're not going to send anything. You see, they're requesting for $2 for you to unlock your token, which is fake. Seriously fake. And people that design this bot are very good to the extent that you think is a real bot, but please don't fall for this. It's a fake bot. As you can see, ICO, blah 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 blah. I think I released an update about crypto scam. Wait, I didn't release the full video. Oh, I'm going to release that one later. Yeah. So I think if you guys want to check up about airdrops like this, more and more airdrops like this, check out Emmanuel airdrop, Christian Rochenwald. Yeah, Christian Rochenwald. Yeah, they are very good on all style stuff. And if you want to go to a channel where they will explain crypto terms in a very simple manner for you that you'll be able to understand, go to Andre Jik. It talks about crypto stuff in a very simplified way that you'll be able to understand. So as you can see, the pre-sale is going on. Round 1 is completed, round 2 is going on now. Yeah, as you can see, it's very cheap. 0.00002 BNB right now. That is what 0.0008 USD right now by the time I'm making this video. Wow, that is less than a cent. Less than a cent. Very less than a cent. So that you can grab up to 10k for just 8 cents. Like 8 USD. I mean, for 8 USD you can grab 10k for 8 USD. Well, that's good. And yeah, I want you to join our Telegram channel, which is MB Airdrop. You can check it out. I'm going to leave the link in the description for this. And yeah, as you can see, that's for fun. This is just a fun stuff. Yeah, please name blah 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 blah. Yeah, my airdrop. I'm going to listen. So if you watched it up to date, I'm going to be telling you to stay subscribed. So because I'm going to list a new video on how much I made in January 2022. I'm going to list out the video in the next week from this one. Yeah, and you can reach out to me on Instagram and on Facebook. I'm going to leave my link in the description below. And we just this video, so I don't sorry for my dull voice today, but yeah, bye.